take our first knee, and we're all going to kneel. Let's all kneel. And we're going to kneel for a moment of silence. And as we kneel, George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, and the list goes on. Remember that individual that when you seen was executed by the hands of the police because of racism and diabolical tactics. Let's remember them now. Black lives matter. We are here in the Ethiopian community and we have a few words coming. Where's Helen? There we go.
How you guys doing? Thanks for being here. Thanks for marching. We in the Ethiopian community do believe Black Lives Matter. We're here to support. We just have a couple community members to speak. If I can get Luli up really quickly. Really quick word.
How's everybody doing? First, I would like to applaud the organizers for today's event. Amazing turnout. A beautiful show of community and collectiveness. So bear with me because this is definitely a little bit last minute. So my name is Little Ethiopia, and I'm honored to be here on behalf of Habesha Network. As an organization, community development is our most important goal. We facilitated workshops with Habesha communities in cities like Los Angeles, New York, and DC. One of my favorites is an initiative called Bridging the Gaps, an event where we focus on ways we can help foster better communication, literally working to bridge the disconnects between the diaspora, Africans, and Americans. And yet, as I look at the world around us today, it's clear that our responsibilities extend beyond the Habesha community. As children of the diaspora, the fight for Black lives is our fight. For those of us who immigrated from back home, you know the isolation and risk that comes with being a foreigner and Black. As a first generation here, we have been tasked to normalize living between two worlds, two cultures, and now we found ourselves at a place in history where they're all crashing together. We've built our lives here in America where unfortunately they don't see us past our skin. And while we have been required to fight against the same systemic oppression as every Black and brown person in this country, police brutality around the world has taken too many from us. Last month, police in Montgomery County, Maryland, fatally shot and killed a 30-year-old Fanan Budhe. Solomon Takka in Israel was killed by an off-duty police officer, igniting their own Black Lives Matter movement there. And just 2 years ago, Zalala Mishitu Onatu was killed here in Los Angeles at the hands of the LAPD. And that is just to name a few. And while it shouldn't take it happening to our own brothers and sons, the fight for Black lives is our fight. We have a responsibility to lean into our civic duties and demand change.
Yes.
The reform we call for is not a want, it's a need.
Yes.
We need these reforms for us to live a life of fair and just society. We need these reforms to ensure our future generations can continue the legacies our parents have started.
Yes. Right.
We need these reforms to ensure the world we leave for our future generations is one we're proud of.
That's right.
With struggle comes opportunity to rise and unite. And in the same way, the Black Americans volunteered to fight alongside Ethiopians in the war against Italy.
Yeah.
Yes.
We march today with that same energy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.